Hi, this is Seth Enos with D-Tools Software, and I'm going to show you some cool new features that are coming up regarding updating pricing in our next release 6. I'm inside of a project editor right now, and I'm going to change my view to show all the items that are currently in the project. And what I'm going to then do is add a quick filter here to go down to just my category of CCTV. So once that filter has been applied, you may notice in here that you still see some wire and cable. That's because those are accessories to the CCTV products. You can tell that very easily in 6. If you look over here, the little plus sign icon next to a product will indicate that it has accessories, and then accessories will have an A next to them to indicate that they are accessories. So to clean up this list a little bit, just go to the Tools menu here and very easily hide all the accessories. Once you do that, I'll just sort this column so I can select just a particular type of camera. And now I'll show you how I'm going to update the price on this. So if I go to price rules here, select for a product, I've added a few here already, just some examples, but you can see that you can set a price, you can add a percentage, you can discount, or you can add a discount percentage. And you get to pick any one of our fields to do that with any one of our pricing fields. So what I'm going to do with these cameras here is I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to build a new one actually. We're going to add a percentage here. So I'm going to say my destination field is going to be unit price A. The source field is going to be my unit cost A, and I'm going to want to add 25% to my cost on all of my selected cameras there. So I'll go ahead, not only I'll save the rule, but I'll also apply it. And you can see that the price has changed over here. And in making that change, it is project specific. So if I go ahead and close this form, I've now updated the price to be 25% off my cost for these particular cameras. Now, you can see more detailed pricing by going to our layouts tab here. I can check out the price tab. In fact, you can review all kinds of information about a product using these layouts. For example, the description here. And I'll go ahead and expand this. I can see right off the bat I have a misspelling here, and I'm going to want to go ahead and correct that. So here's one method for doing that in 6. I'll double click the product to open it up and go to the description field. Now we do have built-in spell check in all of our description fields inside of 6. You can see this underlined word here is showing that it doesn't recognize that, but we'll go ahead and keep that. It didn't recognize this as a mistake because that is a real word, but I really wanted to say dome. And also at any point you can right click and check spelling or hit F7 to run a little spell check. As you can see here, it'll pull up and it's not recognizing this. Go ahead and cancel out of that. And I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. Now, similar to SI5, you're going to be prompted on whether or not you want to update your master table or not. In SI5, it's an all or nothing situation though. So yes, I corrected the spelling of a word, but I also changed price that was project specific, and I don't want that pricing to be reflected out into the master catalog here. So the great thing about 6 is you have the ability to choose what you're updating. So at this point, everything is checked by default. I'm going to choose to deselect all, and I'm only going to update my short description. So the correction I made, not the pricing changes. I'll go ahead and hit update. And then the same is true here. I can select the rest of these with the misspelling. Come over here to Tools, and I'm going to now update from Catalog. Choose Products. And once again, whether you're updating to Catalog or from the Catalog, this Options field is here, so I can deselect all. Say I just want the description updated because I don't want to overwrite with my my true global pricing. I have a specific price for this job, and I will only update that description.